case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case in 1980 that resonated across the American legal landscape, John Herrera sought justice from Missouri's Court of Appeals for an injury he sustained after a collision with a car driven by Paul Reicher, Jr., then under 16 years old. The legal battleground? The precise limitations of collateral estoppel, also known as issue preclusion, a common law plea that prevents an issue from being relitigated once it has been resolved in a previous action. The drama began in 1976 when Herrera filed his initial lawsuit against both Reicher Sr. and Jr. After the dust settled in court, Herrera clinched victory with an $8,000 compensation award from Paul Jr. In his quest for justice, Herrera then turned to claim the payout from Reicher's insurance company, only to meet a formidable obstacle: summary judgment in favor of Reicher and the insurer. Herrera was thwarted by the invocation of collateral estoppel by the trial court, which leaned on this principle to argue that certain aspects of the case had already been addressed and couldn't be litigated again. Institutional barriers aside, Herrera was not deterred. He believed the issue of whether Reicher Jr. was given permission to drive the car remained undecided. Thus, he appealed, pushing back against the court's decision while the defendants doubled down on their collateral estoppel argument. The Court of Appeals shifted the narrative in a twist that would prove pivotal for Herrera. Keenly dissecting the essence of collateral estoppel, the court took the view that if an issue in the second action was not entirely similar to the issue conclusively decided in the first, the doctrine could not apply. On these grounds, they overturned the trial court's judgment and sent the case back for reconsideration. Herrera's story has since stood as a reminder of the imperative to exhaust all legal inquiries decisively before preclusion kicks in, a decision that has echoed across court halls in the decade that followed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.